Today we're going to be talking about how to tile bathroom walls and what exactly Thinset is. Thinset is different than mortar. It is a specific product that you get from the hardware store called Thinset, which is an adhesive for tile that is a mixture of cement, fine sand, water, and some alkaline ingredients. And it just helps your tile stick to the wall. So here he put a little bit on the tile. It doesn't have to go to the edge because it's going to squish out a little. You don't need a ton. And then you put your little plastic spacers in between the two tiles to make sure you get that grout line spaced the same way. And he's going to hold it up with his hand for a little bit because gravity does want to pull it down. And sometimes you might want to tape it to make it really stay in place if you have a large heavy tile. In our case, we did one line and let it dry for a couple of hours of like 4 tiles, and then we came back and did the 4 tiles above it so it wouldn't press down on the tiles underneath.
Don't you move.